In this tutorial, we will see how to change the data and which all controls exist in order to prevent unauthorized data changing. Because it may occur that we have mistakenly entered the wrong data about the beekeeper, apiaries or beehives, it is enabled to edit such data. In order to prevent unauthorized changes, only commissioner who has recorded beekeepers, apiaries and hives can modify the data. For example, if Commissioner 1 recorded Beekeeper 1, then only Commissioner 1 can modify the data about that Beekeeper 1. Button for changing the data is located on the right side of all the data, and therefore first thing we need to do is to move the horizontal scroll bar to the right. Now in the action column, we see buttons for changing data. As I said previously, Commissioner who has recorded the data can change them, and therefore we can see only two buttons for changing data. That is, as Commissioner Zoran Erdec, I created these two beekeepers, which is visible in column Commissioner, and therefore only I can change their data. We will now try to change the data to one of these beekeepers. We need to move scroll bar to the left in order to see column first and last name. For example, we can edit data for beekeeper Ivan Horvat. Now let's again move slider to the right in order to see the button for changing data. And try to change beekeeper data by pressing that button. The screen went black and we are presented with the same window as in when we created the data for beekeeper. Here we can now change any data, but we must follow the same rules as with the creation of beekeeper. Let's change now, for example, address. Once we are done, we will press the button Save. In this way, it is also possible to edit data for apiaries and beehives.